Sago Mini.
It's circle time!
Hi, I'm Aisha. This is Firefighter Darcy. She's going to show us what it's like inside a real firefighter station. We're in the kitchen of the Firehouse, where the firefighters hang out when there isn't a fire. Wait, why do you guys have a kitchen?
That's a great question. We have a kitchen here because we all cook our crew meals together.
Who's in charge of cooking?
We all are. Everybody helps out. Some people are better at cooking than others, but we all pitch in and make sure we get a meal done together.
What do you guys like to eat?
We eat lots of meals here. Mostly are healthy, but I will say pizza Saturdays are my favorite. This crew has the best pizza, and so it's done pretty well here.
Am I allowed to come?
You're definitely allowed to come.
What happens when you get a call while you're cooking?
When we're cooking or when we're eating and the tones go off, we just try our best to drop everything. We make sure we turn the oven off. We put everything away no matter where we are in the meal. We go to the call and then we come back and finish cooking.
Can we hear what a call sounds like?
Yeah, absolutely. So you'll hear our tones in a second, and this is what we hear when we go to a normal fire call.
Feature test only for Fire Station 7-3. It's rollout 1659.
Can you show me more of the Firehouse?
Yeah, absolutely. Why don't we check out the trucks next?
Okay. So where are we?
We're out in the truck base of the fire station, and that's where all of our fire trucks and equipment stay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why are fire trucks red?
That's a really good question. They're actually not always red. They can be different colors, but they're always bright colors so people can see us coming.
Oh, that's really interesting. How long does it take you to put on your gear?
So we practice a lot because we need to be really quick, but it tends to take 60 to 90 seconds for us to get our full gear on.
What's your favorite piece of gear to wear?
For me, it's my bunker coat or a jacket, just because I'm really proud to be a Vaughn firefighter, and it says Vaughn on the back.
Yeah, I like jackets too. How long are the hoses?
We have a bunch of different hoses, and they're a bunch of different sizes and diameters, but mainly they're 50 feet to 100 feet, so they're really big.
Thanks for having us here, Darcy.
Not a problem. Thanks so much for coming. Ready to get out of here?
Let's roll.
Sago Mini.